First, take a look at this Faceless YouTube channel. It has gained over 173k subscribers with just 177 videos. One of its 10-minute videos has crossed 1 million views in only a year. This shows the huge potential of Faceless content. Stay with me until the end, and I'll show you how to create videos like these using Noodle Tomato and start your own successful Faceless YouTube channel.
Let's head over to Google and search for Noodle Tomato, then click on the very first result. I've also included the link in the description below. This is the home page of Noodle Tomato, where you can simply enter a topic and generate a complete faceless YouTube video that's ready to publish. According to the platform, it has more than 2,500 happy users, a 4.9-star rating, and has helped creators generate over 100 million views across 50+ countries. Noodle Tomato makes video creation incredibly simple with just 3 easy steps. Pick a topic, choose any topic you're interested in, and enter it. Build the video, the AI creates everything for you, including the script, voiceover, subtitles, background music, and editing. It can even generate videos up to 90 minutes long, ready for download. Upload and earn, every video is production ready, not just a rough draft or raw footage. You can create a professional quality video in as little as 5 minutes. Instead of guessing what content might work, Noodle Tomato analyzes thousands of topics to help you choose the best niche and increase your chances of success. Now, let's click on Get Started. The first step is naming the channel you want to create. I'll name mine AI Ustad and click Next. You'll be asked a few setup questions, so answer them honestly to personalize your experience. For the channel's purpose, I'll select Start a New Side Income Channel. Next, it asks for your target monthly income and your niche. For this demonstration, I'll choose self-improvement. Once you've answered the questions, Noodle Tomato creates a personalized content plan for you. Now we're on the dashboard. To create a new video, click New Video. Describe your video idea. I'll enter 7 habits that changed my life. You can create videos up to 90 minutes long, but for this demo, we'll choose a 3-minute video. Next, select the perfect AI voice. You can browse through popular, latest, or trending voices. I'll select an English voice with an American accent. You can preview different voices before choosing the one that best matches your brand.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told me.
I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally together.
Now it's time to choose the aspect ratio. I'll select 9:16, which is ideal for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. In the brief section, you can provide additional instructions such as your target audience, preferred tone, and visual style. Once everything looks good, click Save. Noodle Tomato will now begin generating content ideas, suggested titles, and engaging opening hooks based on your brief. It analyzes your topic and prepares multiple creative directions for your video. Click Generate Concept to view 3 different title and hook combinations, then select the one you like best. After choosing your preferred hook, click Save Concept. Noodle Tomato will now generate a detailed script for your video. On the right side, you'll see useful information such as the word count and the estimated generation time. Once the script is ready, click Save Script. Next, the AI creates a visual plan by generating scenes and preparing all the assets for preview. In this example, Noodle Tomato generated 31 scenes. I'll click Render All to begin rendering the visuals. This may take a few moments, so just be patient while the AI does the work. Once the preview is ready, you can review every scene and make edits if necessary. If everything looks good, click Approve Preview. Now click Start Assembly. Noodle Tomato will assemble the complete video, finalize the structure, and render the MP4 file for export. Once the rendering is complete, let's play the video.
That such a small change would eventually lead to a total transformation of my mental health. Most people assume that massive life changes require huge efforts, but these micro shifts prove that theory entirely wrong. By the 3rd week, my focus sharpened so much that I finished my entire workday before the lunch. What specific neurological shift happened inside my head to make this level of deep concentration feel so incredibly effortless?
Wow, that's impressive. We've created a high-quality faceless video with minimal effort using Noodle Tomato. On the right-hand side, you can view all the assembly details, and if you'd like to make changes later, you can even reassemble the video. To download the final video, click the three dots and select Download. Once the download is complete, let's watch the final result.
I never expected that such a small change would eventually lead to a total transformation of my mental health. Most people assume that massive life changes require huge efforts, but these micro shifts prove that theory entirely wrong. By the third week, my focus sharpened so much that I finished my entire workday before the lunch. What specific neurological shift happened inside my head to make this level of deep concentration feel so incredibly effortless? Morning movement floods the prefrontal cortex with dopamine and norepinephrine, the exact chemicals your brain needs to lock onto a task and hold it. That 5-minute walk wasn't exercise, it was a daily chemical reset that primed every neuron for the hours ahead. And once that reset became automatic, it quietly opened the door to something far more uncomfortable waiting in the cold. The walk primes your brain, but cold water forces it to commit in a completely different way. 30 seconds under cold water triggers a norepinephrine spike that no gentle morning stroll can match. A rewired brain still needs walls, because distraction will find every crack you leave open. Single tasking isn't discipline for its own sake. It's the structure that keeps new neural pathways from collapsing under old habits. All that discipline building new neural pathways gets undone fast if you're still feeding your brain garbage. What you consume every day, the podcasts, the feeds, the conversations, quietly shapes the person you're becoming. Protect the rewiring by treating your attention like the rarest resource you actually own. The brain doesn't just learn behaviors, it learns identities. And those identities decide which habits feel natural and which feel forced. Every habit you've built so far can be dismantled overnight by a single story you tell yourself about who you are, being you. Every other habit on this list only sticks because your brain gets quiet time to actually wire it in. Sleep and stillness aren't pauses in your transformation. They're where the real work happens, deep inside your neurons. Skip rest, and you're essentially trying to save a file on a computer that never shuts down. Tracking your progress isn't just bookkeeping. Your brain actually releases dopamine every time you see a streak grow. That chemical hit is real motivation, not the manufactured kind you get from a motivational poster on your wall. Suddenly, the tracker isn't supporting the habits anymore.
With this powerful AI tool, you can turn a simple idea into a fully rendered video complete with a script, visuals, voiceover, and editing, all ready to upload to YouTube. You can create a wide variety of faceless videos and start building your channel today. Give Noodle Tomato a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, tutorials, and the latest tech updates.